A Ride on an Express Engine. A documentary from 1899 with unidentified production and direction. It features images from a static camera mounted on the front of a moving train passing through landscapes and under bridges and entering tunnels until it emerges on the other side. Another film in the Phantom Ride style. The only preserved copy of this film is exclusive to the British Film Institute, which only shows it in Great Britain. For the rest of the world and access via VPN, the right to view it is prohibited by the BFI.